Hey engineers, what if I told you that a task your team of 8 would spend 10 months grinding through was just done overnight by an AI? And it wasn't a prototype, it wasn't a demo. Nvidia just said this is happening right now in production chip design. Welcome back. If you care about where software engineering is heading, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to understand what Nvidia just announced. Because this isn't just a hardware upgrade. This is a fundamental shift in how engineering work gets done. At GTC 2026, Nvidia didn't just unveil new chips. They unveiled a whole new way of building things. At the center of it is the Rubin Platform. 6 new chips, a next-gen AI supercomputer, and a software ecosystem built for what Nvidia is calling Agentic AI. AI that doesn't just answer questions, but plans, executes, and verifies complex engineering workflows on its own. But it goes deeper than hardware. Nvidia is partnering with the biggest names in industrial software, Cadence, Siemens, Dassault Systems, Synopsys, to embed AI agents directly into the tools engineers already use. Think CAD tools, chip design suites, simulation platforms. The AI isn't replacing these tools, it's operating inside them. Let's get concrete. Here's what's already happening. Chip design. Porting a standard cell library, a highly technical, multi-step process, previously took 8 engineers 10 months. With Nvidia's AI, it now happens overnight. 1 GPU. That's not a 10x improvement. That's closer to a 2000x improvement in throughput. Robotics. PTC's Onshape CAD platform now connects directly to Nvidia Isaac Sim, letting engineers design a robot and instantly drop it into a physically accurate digital twin for validation. Companies like Fanuc and Fauna Robotics are already using this in their workflows. Aerospace. Ascendance is running full aerodynamic simulation campaigns for hybrid electric aircraft in a single day, using cadence fidelity on Nvidia GPUs via Oracle Cloud. These simulations were previously not possible on standard CPU-based HPC systems. And the list of companies going all in on this?
TSMC, Samsung, Mercedes-Benz, MediaTek, SK Hynix, Honda, the biggest names in hardware, automotive, and manufacturing.
So, what does this actually mean for you as a software engineer? First, the workflows you build are about to change. If you're working in simulation, EDA tools, robotics, or any kind of design tool chain, expect AI agents to start handling the repetitive, computationally heavy parts of your pipeline. Second, the skill premium is shifting. Understanding how to direct and validate AI agents in engineering workflows is becoming more valuable than manually executing those workflows yourself. Third, and this is important, Nvidia themselves say they are a long way from AI designing chips without human input. The AI handles heavy lifting. Engineers still own the strategy, validation, and creative problem solving. This isn't about replacement, it's about leverage. The engineers who learn to work alongside these AI systems will do the work of entire teams. Here's my honest take. If you're a software engineer who adapts, no. If you're waiting for things to stay the same, yes. The engineers who get left behind won't be the ones replaced by AI. They'll be the ones replaced by other engineers using AI. Nvidia just handed the engineering world a massive multiplier. The question is, are you going to pick it up? That's the breakdown. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I cover AI tools, dev workflows, and what actually matters for engineers every week. Drop a comment below. Are you already using any Nvidia AI tools in your stack? I read every single one. See you in the next one.